Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Steve Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider the tools that you use in your art. So this would really only apply to people that have practiced the art to the point that they're using tools. But I suppose you could be creative and figure out how to use the floor as the tool. And the idea here is to think back to somebody that didn't have weapons, but had farm implements, and take the tool use that you have already learned, so likely a weapon in your art, and practice that with a farming tool. So I'd recommend doing this with a tool that's in good order, just like we would do with a weapon, and particularly doing it with something like Tàijíquán, where you're going to be going slower and thus putting less stress on the implement, is a good idea. So you don't pick up your rake, start spinning it around doing wushu, and the head of the rake flies off and get somebody hurt. So this could be, I was just doing it with a pair of live branch trimmers. I have a machete here. It can be done with a machete. It can be done with the shovel, whatever you happen to have. But the idea is to kind of shift your sort of historical awareness about the movements that you've learned as a tool, a weapon, a prop, and kind of consider how they'd work in the farm. I actually like to do this on the farm when I'm farming, doing gardening stuff, and make it a part of my practice. So enjoy and comment, if you would, with what you like to use as a tool. Thanks.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.